Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Form video. And today's we were talking about the A53 coming to Boost Mobile. So this is a phone that I might have to actually pick up and get for you guys to unbox and review. So it's pretty nice. There's a couple pre-order deals that you can get through boostmobile.com, and I'll actually have some leaked pictures and specs on it. So let's get into it, guys. Trying to make this video as short as possible. Plus, I got to go to work in a little bit, so. Says Samsung, everything you love all in one. Pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G now for $250 off plus a free $50 e-gift card. Wow. So pretty cool, guys. While supplies last, please allow 30 days for shipping. E-gift cards can be used towards monthly service fee only. So there's another caveat there, that $50 gift card or e-gift card, should I say, that goes towards your monthly service. So you cannot use that for anything else but Boost Mobile service, basically. Like I said, we'll go to the website, and I got a couple links we'll go through. So it says Boost Mobile has launched a deal on the newly announced Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. The device was announced by Samsung on March 17th with a suggested retail price of $449.99. That's pretty steep. Boost Mobile has it available on pre-order right now for just $200. Guys, you're saving more than half off. You're like 55% off or something like that. But that's not all. Boost Mobile may be throwing in several extra freebies for that price, including a free month of service on an unlimited plan. Wow. There's that $50 e-gift card. Let's take a closer look at this details, offer details. And I said we'll go through the website as well. So $199.99 Samsung Galaxy A53 5G with a free month of service offer details. So the $199.99 Samsung Galaxy A53 5G offer is an online-only deal that can be found by visiting Boost Mobile's website. Like I said, I'll take you there in just a little bit. Scrolling down a bit, it looks like the deals for new lines only. So you cannot be upgrading or anything. You have to be basically switching over Boost Mobile or bring your number over. It doesn't even say you have to bring your number over. I believe it's just new lines only. So But you know, Boost is advertising this deal that's available $250 off plus shoppers get a free $50 e-gift card. So you're getting $250 off this phone. Really good deal. Plus, guys, you're getting a free month of service. That's pretty crazy, man. Boost says the e-gift card can be put towards the monthly service fee. So you can just go through the web checkout and get that as well. So it says here's what they found here at bestmvno.com. Like I said, and same thing, I'm gonna do it with you guys. It says the deal requires the use of the promo code 250 off Samsung A53. But if you have Honey's a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes like these, and will just automatically apply it. But if you go through the thing through Boost Mobile's website, it will automatically apply it. So. But if you do, hey, check out Honey, description below, guys. Little plug. It says Boost Mobile is supposedly throwing in a free SIM card, normally $9.99, but more on this later. So the SIM card is valued at $10, guys. You're gonna get that for free. Boost does not specify if it's an AT&T or T-Mobile based SIM. It says the e-gift card may automatically be applied at checkout to Boost Mobile's $50 service plan that includes 35 gigs of high-speed data before throttling. Wow. So, and then this part they're just talking about, the throttle and stuff like that. So it says, going through the process, I experienced a huge discrepancy. When I first started the checkout process on page 1, I was shown the total price would be $207.99. However, when I filled out my shipping bill information and clicked next, it showed the price of $283.78. Whoa. So basically, he was being charged the $50 plan, despite that being shown. But we'll go through it and see what's the deal with that, guys. So there you go. He's showing you the two, discrepancies and stuff like that. So, but let's go into it now. We're at Boost Mobile's website, guys. So here it is. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see, boom, A53 5G. It says everything you love all in one. Pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G now for $250 off plus a free $50 gift card. So if we click on pre-order, remember this is just for pre-ordering. If this thing will load, there we go. So as you can see, get the price, and there's the coupon there. Like I said, Honey just popped up, and there's a code that automatically applies it for you. So Pretty cool, guys. You have to fill this out. It's $209.49. It looks like it's 200 plus taxes. Not bad deal at all. Here's the leaked information on it. So Samsung Galaxy A53 5G device launch available. So this phone is available April 1st, guys. Suggested retail price is $449.99. Whoa, so this phone's gonna have a 6.5 inch screen. Very nice, guys. Full HD Super AMOLED screen for a crystal clear view. Stereo speakers for a surround sound feel. Whoa. And a long lasting battery for streaming your favorite content. Plus, keeping up with your people is virtually lag free. So, wow. So it says this device is compatible with the expanded data network and the Boost transformed network. I believe the transformed network is AT&T, so it's compatible with both. So it says the device is compatible with the expanded data network, which is T-Mobile, which I don't like, just because in my area it doesn't work, but you know. And the Boost Transform network, which I believe is AT&T. So I would rather go with the AT&T network if I could get it. It says please make sure the latest firmware has been downloaded on the device prior to activating on Boost Mobile on the Boost Mobile Transform network. So there you go. So it's pretty cool. So this thing has a 5,000 milliamp long-lasting battery, non-removable, 25 watt fast charge, guys. Wow. Memory is 128 gigs. Jeez Louise. And micro SD card slot. Processor is Exynos 882 octa-core. Operating systems Android 12. Camera. So here's the camera. Your rear camera is 64 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth, and 5 megapixel macro, guys. I might have to order this thing. Front facing is 32 megapixel camera. Good lord. So like I was saying, this does have a 6.5 full HD plus S AMOLED Infinity 120 hertz display, man. Look at that. So you're getting, wow, you're getting that 120 hertz, guys. That's what's really cool. It's 190 grams. Connectivity, it's Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type C. Other features, IP67 dust and water resistant. Whoa. So like I said, this phone does come out on April 1st. So in just about a little bit over a week. Really nice, guys. I might have to pre-order this thing and go through the process, you know, but really nice. Like I said, for me, the only thing with Boost, like I said, in my area, T-Mobile doesn't really work that well, but in the city, when I drive, you know, 10 minutes into the city, it does work perfectly fine. I would go with the Boost Transformed network, which is AT&T. I would definitely go with their with that service, since it does work better in my house. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Are you excited for this? I know I am. I would probably get this deal hands down. So I'll have to use all that good information, but I have to see what this does and see how that's going. But you know, like I say, you saw the specs, guys. It's really nice, and I think I'm definitely gonna get it. So thank you for watching, guys. Dragon Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you gonna get this? Do you want me to get this phone and review it and all that stuff? So thank you.